Unveiling the world of gardening workshops. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and green topic: gardening workshops. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, understanding what a gardening workshop involves can enrich your knowledge and skills. So, let's get our hands dirty, metaphorically speaking, and explore what these workshops are all about. A gardening workshop is a guided, educational experience designed to teach participants about various aspects of gardening. These workshops can cover a wide range of topics, including but not limited to plant care, soil preparation, gardening techniques, and even specialized areas like organic gardening or hydroponics. What makes these workshops particularly appealing is their hands-on approach, allowing participants to learn by doing. When you attend a gardening workshop, expect to be engaged in a variety of activities. These can range from classroom-style learning, where experts share their knowledge, to practical sessions in a garden. You might learn how to select the right plants for your garden's climate and soil, prepare the soil to ensure your plants thrive, plant seeds and seedlings properly, maintain your garden through watering, weeding, and pest control techniques. Harvest your plants at the right time. Workshops can be tailored to different skill levels, so whether you're starting your first garden or looking to refine your techniques, there's something for you. Attending a gardening workshop offers numerous benefits. Not only do you gain practical knowledge and skills, but you also have the opportunity to meet other gardening enthusiasts and expand your network. Ask questions and receive personalized advice from experts. Discover new gardening tools and how to use them effectively. Find inspiration for your own garden projects. It's an enriching experience that can deepen your appreciation for gardening and help you become a more proficient gardener. We hope this exploration of gardening workshops has inspired you to consider attending one. Gardening is not just about planting seeds. It's about growing communities, knowledge, and a deeper connection with nature. Whether you're looking to improve your green thumb or simply want to try something new, a gardening workshop could be the perfect next step. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, every gardener was once a beginner. Happy gardening!